Hey y'all, today we are going to be unboxing, trying on, and reviewing Short Story. So Short Story is the Petite women's clothing subscription box just for petite women, 5'4" and under. I'm not even 5 foot, so I definitely fit in the petite category. I found some great items in these boxes before. Their denim especially, if you are a shorter woman, you know, finding an inseam that works is super hard on almost every single brand of jeans. I usually have to buy capris in jeans just to make them work. So if you're a petite woman looking for fashion that actually fits, Short Story is a great box to try out. If you want to try it risk-free and have your styling fee waived on your first box, I will leave a link down below. If you click on that link, you can sign up and get your first box sent to you risk-free. If you don't like anything, you just send it back, no worries. And I also get a $25 credit if y'all do that. So thank you so much to everyone that has used my link. Let's go ahead and bust into the box. They did send me something that I've actually been on the lookout for. I'm super excited to try it on. Let's open it. All right, I'll give y'all a first look. This is how your box comes. So you get your pamphlet with all the prices. We'll go over that at the very end. They do send you a prepaid label. I'm not going to show you the other side because it has my address on it, but that is what you put all the clothes that you do not want to purchase. You send that back. And then you have your little burrito, which is what us in the clothing subscription box community calls this, your little burrito with your cute little sticker. So this right here on top, this is what I'm most excited about. She did send me, or he, I don't know who it is, they did send me a dress, which I did buy, to be fair, I did buy a dress in my last box, because I had an event that I needed to wear a dress to, and I bought it. I didn't even end up wearing it. Still is sitting in my closet with the tags on it. I'm not a huge dress wearer. I do like the top of the dress, so like I could wear it for videos, things like that. But overall, I probably own 3 dresses in my entire closet. So let me go ahead and show you what they sent. I'm gonna try it all on. I'm gonna give y'all my honest feedback. I'm really excited about this. I cheated. Whenever they sent me the email and said that my box shipped, I automatically looked inside. So I already know what all this looks like. I'm excited about this top. Not so much about this. Not so much about this. I like the top of this. Excited about these. Let's open it. All right, let me share with y'all what I'm most excited about. It's this. It is just, this may look really simple, but y'all, I've been trying to find this exact shirt for a long time now. I have this in pink, but it's really sheer. I wonder how sheer this is. Okay, it's not that sheer. So it's a lettuce edge, long sleeve, rib top, super cute. It has the lettuce edge at the bottom and also on the sleeves. I love tops like this. I love how fitted they are. And this is a great piece for fall and winter. The only thing, I guess I'll show y'all the brand in case you want to ask your stylist for it. I guess you can email them and tell them that you want this piece. So Muse, Petite, I'll link everything in my description box too. So that'll be easy to go back and refer to. The only thing about this is the price. I'm really gonna have to love it when I put it on. I'll tell y'all the prices at the very end. Okay. Next thing, this is Love Tree, size small. Now this one, I don't think I'm gonna end up keeping. It just doesn't really seem like my style. It's really kind of like, it's really feminine. It's a crop top and it has these little, short little flutter sleeves with some cutout details. It's okay. I just honestly don't think I would wear this, or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'll put it on and maybe I'll love it. Who knows? Now this next piece, I love the color. Y'all have seen me wear orange a lot. It's my favorite color. It's like a burnt orange, but I don't like the style of this. You know, I'm gonna be really honest. These sleeves, they hit me weird. I don't know. I don't like the placement. How I either like a very long sleeve or no sleeve at all. And then I usually put like a cardigan over it because I don't like showing my arms, period. I don't know about this, y'all. This seems This seems really boxy. Not a fan of the boxy look. I'm gonna try it on, we'll see. Okay, here's the dress. It's a pretty dress. Like I said, I really like the top of the dress. I could definitely wear this for videos. Y'all know I make daily videos here, so I'm always looking for clothes. I love the sleeves. Look how pretty that is. Long sheer puff sleeves. I like the detail here. It's got kind of like a bow ruffle thing. It is feminine, but I love the black floral. I think that's so cute. It has some smocking. And it looks like this will hit me above the knee. It may look really short to you guys, but remember this is a petite box. So this, I don't know. I'll try it on, but I just honestly, like I said, I don't wear dresses. I love denim, which I'm pulling out some denim right here. I love my jeans. Now, I am not in the need for any more denim. I have been buying a lot. These are Liverpool. And let me see if it has a style. Let's see what it says. It probably will say it on the price tag. These are totally my style. I know I'm gonna like these, but y'all, I have a lot of denim right now. I think I had like $100 and something in credits for Stitch Fix, because Stitch Fix was not hitting the mark. If you've been here for a while, you already know my Stitch Fix journey. I cut that off. But I had so much credits built up that I went on there and I bought quite a few pairs of denim that fit me perfect. I also have been getting some great denim from Nordstrom. So I know these are probably going to be expensive because they're Liverpool. I know I'm going to love them. They are exactly my style. Love them, love them, love them. I really just don't need them, y'all. Okay, I'm going to try it all on for you. You guys, let me know in the comments, what do you think about these pieces? I'm hoping that I really love the black top, because that's the only thing I'm really going towards as far as keeping. Everything else I really just don't need. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, here's the top that I was really, really hopeful about. I like it, but I guess I don't really love it. It does seem kind of sheer. Now, I do have a ring light, like, directly on me, so, I mean, you can see how wide I am right now. So, of course, you know, I don't know. This was exactly what I've been looking for. Every time I go to Goodwill, I'm looking for a black lettuce edge ribbed top. I love the ribbing detail, if you can see it. Oh man, I just don't know. You guys, seriously, you guys need to help me. Leave in the comments when I tell you the price. Do you think the price justifies the top? I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Okay, so the jeans are just okay, to be honest with you. I did eat before the video, which actually I probably should start doing, because obviously when you wear jeans, you're going out. I'm usually going out to eat when I wear jeans. And they're a little snug. There's not a ton of gapping. That's usually like my biggest worry. But this is the issue I have with these jeans. If you can see, there's some gathering down there. So I don't know. I did pull off, look, accidentally pulled this tag off. I don't know. They're a little tight. I don't know. I'm not crazy about them, which I'm glad about, because I don't need any in my life. All right, here's this orange top. I'm gonna make this super quick. I don't really like it. I don't like boxy fit. I have an hourglass shape, and I feel like this doesn't do anything for me. Like, it needs to kind of cinch in, you know? I don't know. You guys know, if you've watched me for a while, you know this ain't my style. I don't like where these sleeves hit me. It's just an all-around no for me. Maybe if you tuck it in, and maybe if you wear a cardigan, that's cute. I love the color. Oh, I should say, I did tell them my favorite colors to wear was orange and pink, and they have done a fantastic job with providing me the colors that I do love. It's just the sleeves on this, and then this boxy shape, it's a no from me. Okay, so here is the like pink crop top. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really crazy about it. It's off the shoulder. It's this sleeve length for me. I'm just not a short sleeve person. I also think the crop length is kind of weird. Like, it's really cropped. Like, it's cropped. So you definitely can't wear this to the buffet, can you? I don't know. I don't feel very comfortable. I feel like I'm always going to be messing with this shirt, like steadily trying to like pull it down. So because of that, no, I don't know. I love the color. I think it's a really pretty color though. I'll give it that. Okay, so here's the dress. I have quite a few problems with it. Number one, it hits me like below my knees. Like it's super, super long on me. If I'm gonna wear a dress, I'm probably gonna wear like a mini dress, like a fitted mini dress. I love this silhouette here. I think this is super flattering. I love the sleeves, love a good sleeve. Let me try to touch. I feel like I'm like being totally washed out by my ring light right now. It's this that I have a problem with, you guys. This right here, you can see my bra. I don't think it's very cute. Maybe if that's the look you're going for. I don't know. This would probably be like a cute dress to wear to a wedding, or I don't know, something like that. I don't have a need for it. I'm not going to wear a dress, honestly. But if you're a little bit taller than me, maybe closer to 5'4", it should hit you above the knee. But yeah, I don't feel very pretty wearing it. So only buy stuff that makes you feel pretty, y'all. Okay, let me go ahead and share the prices with y'all. I really need your help. You guys let me know what you think. Give me your honest opinion in the comments. So this black floral dress was $68. That's by the brand Dress Forum. Not crazy about it. I don't think it fit me very well, to be honest with you. The Liverpool, these are called the Abbey ankle jeans. Again, I'm gonna link it all down below in the description. These are $89. She sent a size 0 petite. I thought these said, oh yeah, they are 0. I probably would need to size up on these, I feel like, because they were a little tight on me. And they were just a little too long. I don't need denim though. I still have denim with tags on it in my closet. Don't need it. This was the most affordable thing. And did y'all just see me hit myself? This is Love Tree, the Miah lace tube top. $29. Not crazy about it. I'm going to be like fiddling with that the whole time I wear it if I were to wear it. Oh, they call this color Ginger Spice. I like that. That's accurate. This is by Petite Assembly, the Leia knit puff sleeve top. $50. That's a big no. I did not think that did anything for my body. All right. This is the piece that I need your help on. Do you think it's worth $38? I don't know. I don't know if it is. Y'all know I'm a thrifter, and usually I'll spend $38 on jeans or a dress or something like that, but stuff like this, now I've tried to find it at the thrift store and I can't, but stuff like this, I feel like I would hate to pay $38 and then find it at Goodwill for $3. Thrifters Anonymous, that's the club I should be in. I'm gonna wait to check out for a day or two. I want to hear your comments down below. I want to know, is this going to be a waste of money for me? Do you think it's worth it? I did like it. I thought it was pretty. I would definitely wear it once a week probably. You guys let me know. Remember, if you want to try Short Story for yourself, give it a try. See how much you like it. You can use my code down below. I have a link. And that will waive your styling fee on your first box. So if you don't like anything, you just send it all back. No worries. I can't wait to get your feedback down below. It's gonna definitely help me make a decision. If you like these types of videos, make sure you subscribe. I do put out daily content here on this channel. It is more thrift focused, but I do the short story boxes, and I also do a lot of Nordstrom Trunk Club videos. I've been doing those almost twice a month now. I love Trunk Club, and I should have another Trunk Club video. The box is right over there, y'all. I should have that video coming out maybe in the next 2 or 3 days. I have a bunch of scheduled videos before that already. But thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you. You just hit the subscribe button down below. It's a red button. You can also hit the bell next to it. That will notify you each and every time I post, which is every single day. All right, y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow for a Selling to Once Upon a Child video. It's going to be a good one. Bye, y'all.